Dear students, in the last few slides we have seen all the basic concepts related to the inertial frames of reference and non-inertial frames of reference. As we know, inertial frames of reference are the frames of reference in which Newton's laws of motions are valid, and non-inertial frames of reference are those in which Newton's laws of motions are invalid. So in this particular session, we shall concentrate on inertial frames with moving with uniform velocity. Say inertial frames and non-inertial frames, which we have seen in the earlier class. So in the present session, we try to concentrate on identifying the inertial frames, understanding the rest and motion are same. So finally, after this particular session, we shall the outcome of the session will be inertial frame at rest, inertial frame moving with constant velocity with respect to frame at rest. Forces in these two frames are same. Concepts of rest and motion, inertial frame of reference, Galilean transformations. So the common terms used here is the motion with constant velocity, force, it is the product of mass and acceleration. So inertial frames of moving with uniform velocity. So we shall consider two frames with O has origin and X in Cartesian coordinates, and another moving frames with Y dash and Z dash, which is in motion with respect to the frame which is at rest. So the coordinates with respect to the frames which is at rest is denoted by X, Y, Z, and the coordinates with respect to moving frames is denoted as X dash, Y dash and Z dash. So here it is very important to understand that the Y dash frame is in continuous motion with respect to the frame OYZ, which is at rest. So the position vector with respect to the frames, that is the frame, the S dash frame which is in motion and S frame which is at rest, the position coordinates are R and R dash respectively. So therefore it is mathematically denoted as R dash equals R minus Vt. So therefore the derivative R dash dr dash by dt equals dr by dt minus V. Say on undergoing derivation, d square r dash by dt square equals d square r by dt square. So the second derivative gives acceleration terms. Multiplying with the mass of the particle gives the force acting on the particle, that is m d square r dash by dt square equals m d square r by dt square. So the equation of force, that is F equals ma m into a whole square. Physical origin of the force is known. Thus, if Newton's second law of motion is valid in S, it will be valid in S dash also. In other words, if S is inertial frame, S dash will also be inertial. So the summary of this particular session is definition of inertial frame of reference. Next, frame in uniform motion with respect to frame at rest. Force in these two frames are identical. Thank you.